is durable subscriber. What do you mean by durable subscribers? So in case TV set with recording facility, very simple terminology. So whenever, firstly, the restriction is that durable subscriber at least runs run once. At least it should be run once so that ActiveMQ server maintain the record of that subscriber. Even if it is offline and message is delivered, message will be stored on the ActiveMQ server, and whenever that durable subscriber online, then the message will be delivered. That's what is durable subscriber. So we need to create the durable subscriber first. So what I will do, subscriber 3, I will make it as durable. So I'll make publisher, normal publisher. I'll make JMS topic subscriber sub 1, JMS topic sub 1 as non-durable. Let us make it as non-durable. And JMS topic sub 2, this is also non-durable. But subscriber 3, let us make it as durable. So we need to check how to make it durable. How to make subscriber durable? How to make subscriber durable? Subscriber durable. Actually, to make it durable, first thing is that durable checkbox. Whatever durable checkbox we have seen in subscriber, we need to check that now. Second thing you have to mention is that subscription name, so that uniquely your subscriber will be identified. This one, subscription name, and there will be connection ID. We'll check that connection ID in the server, in the connection object. Connection ID, some numeric number, and subscription name is some alphanumeric number that you need to give, and durable checkbox you need to make it check. I show you that whenever. So let me go to the third number subscriber, third project, this one. And what I do, this subscriber, nothing to do with sender. Sender cannot send any message as like durable or non-durable. No, it's a subscriber which will be durable or non-durable. So in durable subscriber, it will be like this: listener, and everything is same. Only thing is this durable got selected. This subscription name has to be field. Let us call it as sub3. It has to be unique. One more thing, in the connection, let me check. In the connection of topic, so this connection here, there is one configuration. What is that? Let me show you that. Yeah, client ID. Let me correct it. It's not connection ID, it's client ID. So it's just a numeric number, So client ID, make it as, let's say 1001. This is everything is important. Subscription name, client ID together. This will call a particular subscriber as unique subscriber, That's how whenever the durable subscriber is running from the another thing, whenever it is running from offline thing, from offline to online, it becomes, from this name, your server can identify, okay, this is the same one which got offline some time back. Let me show you. Let me connect it as a normal thing. Okay. And what I have is, so everything is fine. There is no change. Now what I do, I just run once. Okay. Right now, it is showing number of consumers. Nothing is running. Number of consumers 0. Okay, it is showing number of consumers 0 because nothing is running. Now just run this. Let me stop all other, and only third we will run. Only third we will run. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Only third we will run. let it be deployed. Okay. Okay. And it is, let me wait till it's get deployed. Okay, it got deployed. Now what I do, once it is deployed, I check my ActiveMQ server. I don't have any intention to do something. Just it is taking one subscriber. Is that okay? Number of consumer one, which is running, which is durable. So what it shows, if I go to subscriber, it shows active durable topic subscriber. So client ID, which I have given 1001, subscription name is sub3, which I have given, and other things are there. Okay, so that all will be there. It is showing active durable subscribers. Now I want to show you something. Have a look on this. Even if I stop this, I stop it now, it is offline. I stop this, it is offline. Let me refresh this thing. You can see the number of consumers one is permanently there because durable subscriber got offline. So I will not erase the record of that from the server. Durable subscriber, doesn't matter it is offline or online, it is considered as the subscriber. Even if it is offline, it is not made at zero. Understand? So this is what is the beauty of durable subscriber. Now what I show you, suppose my next run is what? Let me have run to publisher running. Let us make publisher running. Subscriber one, which is non-durable, that is also running. Subscriber three, which is non-durable. Subscriber two, which is doesn't matter anyway. So whatever, subscriber 2, just let me correct it. Subscriber 2 is also non-durable. Suppose that is also running. Anyway, they will get the message if they're online anyway. Sub 3 is offline. Sub 3 is non-durable again. No, we made durable and it is offline. So let us see what happened. Let us do that. Let us create that combination, the run. Maybe okay, run configuration, that's fine. Sub 3 uncheck, sub 2 I want, sub 1 I want, and publisher I want. That's what. Let's see. Let's see, three deployed messages. Sub 3 is offline, and now publisher publish the message. What will happen? So non-durable will get the message, but for durable, message will be preserved in the ActiveMQ server, and it will be delivered to the subscriber 3 whenever it becomes online. That's the beauty of durable subscriber. Let's see. Are you with me, Bhargav? You there? Okay, perfect. Let's wait. Okay, so in this case, my durable subscriber is offline. Take a note. So publisher, sub 1 and sub 2, only 3 deployed message will be there. Let's see. Come on, come on, come on. 3 deployed messages, sub 1, sub 2, publisher. These 3 are deployed. As it is deploying multiple project, it takes some more time. Okay, so publisher, what happened with you? Let me see. Some binding error or something? I don't know. Couldn't create not a server. Server 9001 is already Yeah, maybe something was running, I don't know. But let me, 9001. Yeah, there is only one publisher, So what's the problem? Yeah, let me check. 9001. What is the problem for you, guy? Yeah, let's see. Okay, that looks okay. So let me run that. Okay, so project, go to message flow and debug configuration. Let me do that. Publisher, sub one, sender I don't want. I don't know whether sender got checked by default or something. Sub 2 I want, sub 1 I want, sub 2 I want, sub 3 is offline, and publisher I want. That's what. So let me see. So that is getting deployed. This time what I want, publisher, sub 1, sub 2, these three deployed, and sub 3 is offline. And then I'll push the message and let's see what happens. Okay, so it looks okay now. Yeah, so publisher deployed, sub 1 deployed, sub 2 deployed. Let us publish a message. Okay, so the message is, let's say, amazing. Amazing. Okay, so amazing message. So let us put this and let's say send. And it will come back, of course, and that will be delivered, of course. So let's say 2 messages will be consumed immediately. That's what we wanted to see. And 1 message will be preserved on the ActiveMQ server. Okay, you can see 2 messages are consumed by sub 1, sub 2. You can see now sub 2 is before and sub 1 is after. You cannot predict this order. Both are different applications and they're parallelly running. So you cannot predict the operation that which logger will be executed first. Remember that. So both are getting executed. Now, let me do one thing. The message is preserved on the ActiveMQ server. Let me show you. So my message is Bhargav T, this topic, number of consumer 1. That's fine. Let me refresh this. Yeah, so number of consumer 3 are running now. 2 are, so 3 are running. Yeah, so 1 which is durable subscriber, even if it is not running currently, it will never ever forget about durable subscriber. So you can see if you go to subscriber, active durable, no one is there. Offline durable, yes, there is 1001 and Bhargav T, this offline durable is there. It is remembering about that. Online non-durable, so we do have 1 and 2. These are online non-durable. Okay, now if you say there is one NQ, pending queue size, this is the one message which is pending for my subscriber 3. So what I do, my subscriber 3 will be online now. So I stop everything. I clean everything. I go to console, clean everything. I go to subscriber 3 and let me see that only subscriber 3 will be executed. So everything will be stopped and only subscriber 3 will be running. And that's how, let's see. It will be immediately consume that message, which is pending on the ActiveMQ server. Let's see. It will be very fast. Consumption of the message and printing it out on the screen, that is very fast. Let's see. So sometime there is a display mismatch, so your deployed kind of message you will get later on, message is already consumed. Okay, let's see whether that happens this time. Sometime your deployed message comes later on and you already consume the message by that deployed project. That's what. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so here it is deployed. Okay, now let me see whether that message is getting consumed. Let me see whether that message gone. So pending, yeah, pending queue size, it's gone, you know. Now it's not offline durable. It's not offline durable. This is something else. This is active durable and message already consumed. But where that message gone? Yeah, properly it is getting displayed over here. So this is how your subscriber 3 was offline, that is becoming online, and it got the message which was there. So it may be 1, 2, 3, 4 message. So this is asynchronous JMS publish subscribe. Okay, by default we said it is synchronous, which is non-durable subscriber. But with durable subscriber, we actually implement asynchronous way of publish subscribe. So even if subscriber is not online, the message will be stored for it offline, and whenever it is online, it will get the message. Durable subscriber. Got it?